Hello and welcome to another update video on Bonk. The Bonk chart is currently following the idea of a diagonal structure. Quick reminder that Bonk is potentially here working on this larger degree fifth wave to the upside after a fourth wave bottomed in April. We have a 5-wave move up from that low into the May high, and then here a corrective pullback as an ABC structure might have bottomed on Sunday the 22nd of June. Like on many other charts, that's a situation there as well. And Bonk is, however, one of the stronger candidates here. The rally from that low is quite promising, given that we have already reached ideal targets here for this internal third wave. Normally, we say a third wave should reach minimally the 138% Fibonacci extension. And we have already reached that area, here around 18112. So therefore, I have now added support for this internal wave 4. And this fourth wave support area is located between the 61.8 retracement and the 38.2 retracement. It's a very common target area for such a support zone. For let's say for a fourth wave, 61.8 to the 38.2 fib, especially in a diagonal. What we don't want to see now at this point is a break, a decisive break below the 61.8 retracement. If that happens, it would strongly indicate that we have already formed the top, but then not in 5 waves. So the cleanest pathway or the cleanest pattern from a bullish point of view, I'm always looking at this with a bullish lens as well, of course. The cleanest pattern would be another 4-5 pattern. And that internal fourth wave could start at any point. But please know we've really only just now reached the 138% extension. So a third wave can even go a little bit higher, for example, to the 161.8 or 178.6 extension levels. That would not be a problem or a surprise. We're now also testing here structural resistance. I think I only covered Bonk a few days ago and highlighted there is not only Fibonacci resistance up here, but also structural resistance from those previous swing highs here around 18112. So that's where we are now. And actually, this would make a really good inverse head and shoulders pattern. If we now get a pullback here in the wave 4, and then, we could get a breakout there in a fifth wave, maybe even an extended fifth wave. So overall, I have no evidence at this point that a fourth wave pullback has started, but you have some very clear levels there to watch. And in a fifth wave, we should normally reach 1 or 2 Fibonacci levels higher than where the third wave ended. So yeah, we could get a higher low here and then maybe another higher high in this fifth wave to 19990 or even 21057. Either way, it's only a 3-wave move up so far. Let's see if we can get those 5 waves, and then I can add support for the subsequent wave 2 before we then go higher to complete this larger degree third wave of an even larger degree fifth wave. So looking promising, in other words. Overall, we are on track to forming a 5-wave move at the moment, which is needed to really confirm that here a more substantial and meaningful low formed on Sunday. That's the update on Bonk. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.